All right, it's warming up and the sheep need shearing. So I'm going to try a different procedure this year. Usually I flip them over on their rear end and shear them the standard way, and it's just too hard on my back. I've never sheared the sheep standing up, and we're going to try that today. I understand if you give them a bath, wash them up, it reduces the amount of lanolin clogging up the shears, and I'm going to try a finer blade and see how that works. As you can see, we got lots of helpers here, and so we'll take you along for the ride and show you how it works out. Well, I wanted to use these shears because of the fine blade, but that's not going to work. Our wool's too thick. Those other blades didn't work, so I'm going to have to go with a little more aggressive blade and keep her skin tight. Now for you people that don't know, there's a tendon back here you gotta be real careful of. You don't want to cut this. So when shearing, I'm going to be real careful, as I was on that side around there. And again, I'm pulling the skin tight and trying to go against where the wrinkle would be. So if it's going to wrinkle this way, I want to shear down this way. Fold of skin here and a fold of skin here. So be real careful to go this way, not cut like this, because you'll get it right in the teeth. All right, here they are, all cleaned up, sheared, vaccinated, hoofs trimmed, and ready for a beautiful summer grazing in the pasture. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and I look forward to helping you with other projects online.